Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best tackle boxes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tackle boxes that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Wakeman 55-piece fishing single tray tackle box. This tackle box is suited for beginners and experienced fishermen. It comes in a nice size that can handle most of the things that you need. The well-made and practical compartments securely hold the lures, hooks, lines and other things. It's effortless to operate since it opens and closes in smoothly. And thanks to the sturdy construction and material, it won't get dents, break, warp, or come apart even after rough handling. The simple design and smooth finish make cleaning simple, whereas the well-made handle improves portability. Moving on at number 4. We have the Wakeman 2-tray tackle box. Coming from one of the well-known manufacturers, this tackle box is perfect for any occasion. You can use it while fishing along the river, in the lake, ocean and other places. The solid design and heavy-duty construction provide proper protection to the gear, whereas the nice handle and ergonomic design improve handling. Similar to other top items, it can handle a good capacity thanks to the spacious design and effective compartments. Reaching the tackle is easy, and it remains shut so as not to lose anything. At number 3, we have the Wild River WT3702 Tackle Tech Frontie Bag. Storing and accessing your bait, hook, line and other fishing tackle is convenient and easy with this box. It boasts several compartments of varied sizes to handle different items. The strong cases will keep the gear safe even in rough and choppy situations and won't accidentally open thanks to the excellent locking system. It's made from durability and high-quality plastic and is the right size. The sturdily built shell is resistant to breakage, stains, cracking, wearing and is also weatherproof. It opens and closes easily and will serve you well for many years because of the high quality built. At number 2, we have the Plano 1374 4x Rack 3700 size tackle box. The Plano 1374 4x tackle box is renowned for its solid construction and reliability. It will hold a decent volume of accessories and will keep everything organized because of the several compartments. The sturdy material will bear vibrations, impact, fall, bangs, and knocks while the nice locking mechanism prevents the box from accidentally opening. The molded handle has a nice grip for secure handling and is also very comfortable. The utility box doesn't get dirty or stain easily and is also weatherproof and water resistant. It is perfect for different fishing situations including the river, lake, and sea. And finally at number 1. We have the Spiderwire Spa006 Wolf Black Tackle Bag. Designed for top performance and versatility, this tackle box will make a perfect addition to your fishing gear. It's suitable for both inexperienced and seasoned fishermen and has a practical design for the best experience. It's constructed from a tough-grade plastic to tolerate the wet conditions, day-to-day use, poor handling, knocks, and impact. It features different sized compartments to handle different things and also improve the organization. The well-designed and ergonomic handle provides a firm grip and is also very comfortable. It ranks among the best tackle boxes in the market because it's very solid, reliable, easy to use and spacious. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.